Hey guys, thanks so much for joining Odisea here. Today we are in Likoni Road. Hey guys, thanks so much for joining Odisea. Today Odisea is along Likoni Road to show you the construction progress of Likoni Road. Most of us, we were here before, but before we only had groundbreaking. There was nothing much here to show, but today everything has changed, and I think you can all see for yourselves. So without further ado, let's embark on the project. So Kura awarded the 900 million contract to Cementas Limited just to dual this highway that is approximately 1.7 kilometers from Jogo Road to Enterprise Road. So the construction work starts from Jogo Road, going all the way to House of Manji until Enterprise Road, leading to Mombasa Road. I think most of us have used this road here before, but you can testify that this road was a mess. It was a mess. It was a parking lot from Enterprise Road to Jogo Road, but today, if this road were to be open today, you won't see any traffic here. So I think you can see how Cementas are doing a great job here. I think we should really appreciate this government in the sector of infrastructure. In the sector of roads and infrastructure, I think this government here has worked more than any other government that was here before. because every day you wake up just on a new project, because you can all testify that every day that I wake up, I upload you a new project, a new, everything is just new. So Nairobi City, I think it will just be the best city around Africa in the next 5 years, because what's happening here is very, very, very rapid transformation. So I think you can all see that this road has already become beautiful, and to me, I think this section should be opened for public just to start using it, because it's the best thing that happened to Nairobi. But to me, they are taking too long on this project. But let's see, because today, I think you have seen that workers are very active here. So let's just proceed to the far end. You will see how workers are very busy here, day and night, working around the clock to make sure that they complete this project here in the stipulated time, because this project should be done by 2022 March. That's how many months from today? Around 10 months or so. This project should be done, and vehicles, motorists should be using this road here. So let's proceed. Please proceed to the end, but make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you like this video, and do everything possible to make sure that Woodsia remains the best YouTube channel. Let's form a family. Let's show our country. Let's do everything possible to make sure that our country is visible to the world. This is Kenya. If you are a tourist outside here, come visit this country. This is the best country to visit. This is the most beautiful country here. In fact, Nairobi City is among the most beautiful cities in Africa. So please subscribe. Please watch this video to the end to appreciate the rapid transformation of this road here. This is Woodsia. Woodsia will always bring you more and more government projects plus private projects.